வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, இது உங்கள் V.Palanichamy. நம்ம டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி ப்ரீவியஸ் இயர் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் பார்த்துட்ருக்கோம். அதில் சயின்ஸ் பார்த்தோம், அப்புறம் ஹிஸ்ட்ரி பார்க்க ஆரம்பிச்சிருக்கோம். ஹிஸ்ட்ரியில் நம்ம இன்றைக்கி பார்க்க போகிறது 2015 கேட்கப்பட்ட கேள்விகள் குரூப் 1. சரிங்களா? சரி, வில் go to the questions. Question number 1. Choose the correct sequence of the following using the codes given below. 1. Qutbuddin Aibak, Iltutmish, Razia, Balban. 2. Jahangir, Humayun, Akbar, Shahjahan. 3. Balaji Viswanath, Balaji Bajirao, Bajirao I, Shivaji. The correct answer is C1 only. Question number 2. Which of the following were among the main exports of Indus Valley people? Select the correct answer from the codes given below. 1. Wheat, 2. Barley, 3. Cotton, 4. Gold. Choices are A. 1, 2, 3, B. 2 and 3, C. 1 and 2, D. 3 and 4. Correct answer is C. 1 and 2. Third question. Match the following with list 1 with list 2 correctly in the select answer. List 1 and list 2. Santhal Rebellion 1923, Mapla Rebellion 1929, Vizag Revolution 1921, Bardoli Satyagraha 1855. The choices are, so we'll go directly to the answer. The answer is C. 4, 3, 1, 2. So Santhal Rebellion 1855, Mapla Rebellion 1921, Vizag Revolution 1923, Bardoli Satyagraha 1929. C is the answer. Question number 4. Match the list 1 with 2 correctly and select the answer. List 1 and list 2. Tughlaqs, Nawab Bengal, Anwaruddin, British Admiral, Sujadul Dawla, French Governor, Pollock, Nawab of Carnatic. Again, directly we go to the question and the answer is C, that is 3, 4, 1, 2. So answers are Tughlaqs, so it's a French governor, Anwaruddin, Nawab of Carnatic, Sujadul Dawla, Nawab of Bengal, Pollock, British Admiral. Fifth question. Match list 1 with list 2 in the following suitable options. A. Kural, Rishabam, Tutam, Sajam, Kaikilai, Mathyamam, Voli, Gandharam. So the choices are, so direct choice, we'll go the answer A. 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. So Kural, Sajam, Tutam, Rishabam, Kaikilai, Gandharam, Voli, Ulai, Mathyamam. That's 3. So 2, 1, 4, 3. Question number 6. Match list 1 with 2. Brahmanas, Forex text, Samaveda, Guide book of for priest, Aryangas, ritual text, Yajurveda, book of chants. The correct answer is B, that is 3, 4, 1, 2. So Brahmanas, that is ritual text, Samaveda, book of chants, Aryangas, that's forest, Yajurveda, guide book for priest. So answer is B. Seventh question. Which of the following is or not correct? Minto-Marly reforms of 1909 introduced the following. 1. System of direct election was introduced in provinces. 2. The act did not enfranchise women. 3. It introduced diarchy in provinces. 4. Communal electorate was introduced. The choices are A. 1 only, B. 1 and 3, C. 2 and 3, D. 3 only. The correct answer is B. 1 and 3 only. Eighth question. Who bestowed the title Sardar on Vallabhbhai Patel? A. Dadabhai Nauroji, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Mahatma Gandhi, D. Rajendra Prasad. The correct answer is C. Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 9. During 1857 revolt, which army remained loyal to the British? A. Bombay Army, B. Bengal Army, C. Madras Army, D. Awadh Army. The correct answer is C. Madras Army. Question number 10. Pick out the wrong statement. A. Veerappa, the Jamindar of Koppal, rose against the Nizam of Hyderabad in 1819. B. Gadkaris were military classes who garrisoned Maratha force. C. Sakra Bisoi was the Gonds leader. D. Sindhu and Kanu were the leaders of the Kols. The correct answer is D. Sindhu and Kanu were the leaders of the coals. 11th question. Match. Simon Commission, 1928. Nehru Report, 1932. Second Round Table Conference, 1927. Communal Award, 1931. The correct choice is B. 3142. So that's Simon Commission, 1927. Nehru Report, 1928. Second Round Table Conference, 1931. Communal Award, 1932. The 12th question. Identify the statement which is not the cause for the failure of Quit India movement. A. British government arrested key leaders in anticipation to the movement. B. Nehru and Rajaji disbelieved in direct action. C. Hindu Mahasabha and Muslim League supported the movement. D. British government suppressed the movement. The choices are A alone, B, A and B alone, C alone, D, A, B and D alone. The correct answer is C alone. 13th question. Consider the following statements. Assertion. Scholars distinguished a culture midway between Paleolithic and Neolithic called Mesolithic. Reason. The chief characteristics Mesolithic were the stone implements used were extremely small and made up of chalcedony and silicate instead of quartzite. Select your answer using the code given below. A. Both A and R false. B. Both A and R are true or is not explanation to A. C. Both A and R are true or is the correct explanation to A. D. A is true or is false. The correct answer is C. Both A and R are true or is the correct explanation to A. 14th question. Consider the following about scientific dating of prehistoric period. Choose the correct one. 1. The technique of radiocarbon dating is based on measuring the loss of carbon in organic material over a period of time. 2. Another dating method is known as dendrochronology. 3. Paleobotany is the analysis of prehistoric plants. 4. Paleography is the study of ancient writing. A. 1 and 2 and 3 only. B. 1, 2, 3, 4. C. 3 and 2 only. D. 3 and 4 only. The correct answer is A. 1, 2 and 3 only. 15th question. Which among the following correctly matched? A. Coal, Madhya Pradesh. B. Shaujdia, Nilgiris, Tamil Nadu. C. Kotas, Little Andaman. D. Jarawas, Assam. The answer is A. Coal, Madhya Pradesh. 16th question. Give the correct chronological order. 1. Beat Act. 2. Mindow-Marley Act. 3. Regulating Act. 4. Montagu-Semsport Act. The choices are A. 2, 1, 3, 4. B. 4, 2, 3, 1. C. 3, 1, 2, 4. D. 1, 2, 3, 4. The correct answer is C. 3, 1, 2, 4. That is Regulating Act, Pitt's India Act, Mindow-Marley and Montagu-Semsport. 17th question. Who was known as the father of library movement in Tamil Nadu? A. Through T.K. Avinasilingam. B. Through M.P. Periyasamy. C. Through M. Bhaktavachalam. D. Through Muthaiya Chettiar. Answer is A. Through T.K. Avinasilingam. 18th question. Identify the correct order of events of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. A. Transfer of capital, conquest of Nagarkot, reform of token currency, taxation of Dawob. B. Reform of token currency, transfer of capital, taxation of the Dawob, conquest of Nagarkot. C. Taxation of Dawob, transfer of capital, reforms of token currency, conquest of Nagarkot. D. Conquest of Nagarkot, reform of token currency, taxation of the Dawob, transfer of capital. The correct answer is C. Taxation of the Dawob, transfer of capital, reforms of token currency, conquest of Nagarkot. Question number 19. Consider the following relating to Babur. 1. The autobiography of Babur is Babarnama. 2. It was originally written in Persian. A. 1 only, 1 is true. B. Only 2 is true. C. Both 1 and 2 are true. D. Both 1 and 2 are false. So the correct answer is A, only one is true. 20th question. The Dravidian Mahasabha was founded by A. Pandit Ayodhyadas, B. C.S. Srinivasa Raghava Iyengar, C. B. Tyagaraja Chetty, D. C. Nadesa Mudaliar. The correct answer is A. Pandit Ayodhyadas. 21st question. In which Indian National Congress session Mahatma Gandhi was made its president? A. Nagpur, B. Gaya, C. Belgaum, D. Kanpur. The correct answer is C. Belgaum. Question number 22. Match the list 1 and 2. Choose the correct quotes given below. Amrit Bazar Patrika, Dadabhai Naoroji, Indian Mirror, Sisir Kumar Ghosh, Voice of India, G. Verma, Advocate N.N. Sen. The correct answer is A. 2413. So that is Amrit Bazar Patrika, Sisir Kumar Ghosh, Indian Mirror, N.N. Sen, Voice of India, Dadabhai Naoroji, Advocate G. Verma. 23rd question. Which act is called as Black Act of the Indians? A. Vernacular Press Act, B. Indian Arms Act, C. Rowlatt Act, D. Opium Act. The correct answer is C. Rowlatt Act. 24th question. Identify the statement which is wrong. A. The modern method of writing with comma, semicolon and full stop are the contributions of the missionaries. B. Robert D. Noble and Caldwell enriched Tamil language. C. The missionaries introduced printing press. D. The missionaries spread the gospel only through English language. The answer is D. The missionaries spread the gospel only through English language. 25th question. Consider the following reason and assertion, choosing the answer given below. Reason. The diet of the early Tamil was not very different from that of modern times. Ghee played a conspicuous part of the diet. For all, it fetched a high price. Assertion. Ghee was used freely both by vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Our Mulingir Purattinai Nananginar spoken on this ghee. Answers are A, R and A are correct. A is the correct explanation to R. B, A and R are correct. A is not the explanation to R. R is true, A is wrong, R is wrong, but A is true. The correct answer is A. R and A are correct. A is correct explanation to R. 26th question. Choose the correct answer from the quotes given below. Assertion. Indian national movement reached its crescendo in the non-cooperation movement in 1920-22. Was in this context there occurred a resurgence of working class activity in the years 1920-22. The working class created its own organization to defend its rights. Reason. Lokmanya Tilak was one of the moving spirits in the formation of AITUC and AITUC formed in 1920. The choices A. Both A and R are correct. B. A alone is correct. C. R alone is correct. D. A partly correct. R is wrong. The correct answer is A. Both A and R correct. 27th question. Which one of the following statements with regard to enactment of Act 1935 is wrong? A. Turco-Italian war happened. B. Rowlatt Act and Jallianwala Bagh tragedy occurred. C. Roundtable conference held. D. Lord Curzon partitioned Bengal. The correct choice is, or answer is D. Lord Curzon partitioned Bengal. So thank you very much. இன்னொரு கேள்வியில் ஹிஸ்ட்ரியில் நம்ம அடுத்த வீடியோவில் பார்ப்போம். தேங்க்ஸ்.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, பெல் ஐக்கன் பிரஸ் பண்ண மறந்து போயிடாதீங்க. அப்பதான் நாங்கள் போஸ்ட் பண்ற வீடியோவோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் உங்களுக்கு வரும்.